In a dramatic clash at Moses Mabhida Stadium on Sunday, Mfundo Vilakazi came off the bench to score the decisive goal as Kaizer Chiefs edged out to 10-man Sekhukhune United 1-0 in a DStv Premiership encounter. Sekhukhune, who had been unbeaten in their last 5 league games, were reduced to 10 men in the 84th minute after Vuyo Letlapa was sent off for a reckless challenge on Vilakazi. Referee Akona Makalima, after consulting with her assistant, brandished the red card, a decision that proved pivotal. Vilakazi had earlier seen his 80-minute one-on-one effort saved brilliantly by Sekhukhune goalkeeper Badra Sengare. However, just 6 minutes later, the Chiefs teenager redeemed himself by capitalizing on a defense error, collecting a loose ball after Sekhukhune failed to clear their lines. Vilakazi showed composure and precision to curl a shot into the far corner, leaving Sangare helpless and securing 3 valuable points for Amakhosi. The victory marked only the second clean sheet of the league campaign for Chiefs, who made 4 changes to the starting lineup following their disappointing 1-0 loss to Golden Arrows at the same venue last week. Rashwan Dudley, Samkelo Zwane, George Mutlau, and Pule Modi were drafted in, with regulars like Tatayona Tlokwe and Yusuf Mat dropped to the bench. Nduduzi Shabalala missed out entirely due to a minor hamstring injury. Amakhosi dominated the first half, giving out the better chances but were repeatedly thwarted by Sangare's heroics. The Sekhukhune goalkeeper produced a string of fine saves to deny Wandile Duba, Dudley, and Debo Hopotsane. Chiefs midfield trio of Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Matlau and Zwane worked cohesively, ensuring the home side maintained control. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.